Are we going to have a season? There seems to be now a developing conflict. Talk about reopening facilities. Maybe that has folks looking forward to a season, though there seems to be chatter on the other side suggesting we should cancel. What do you think?
I think there's a lot of unknowns, but we are, my opinion is we will end up having a season. We'll have the playoffs. But that's going to be a whiles away. And the question is that in July or is that in August? I think we've got to get back to everything being open. So I think the NBA is, a number of the facilities are going to open May 8th. I think for somebody like the Bucks, it's going to take longer just because we've got to comply with the stay at home. But that's okay. You need to get started. So I think some teams will have a little bit of an edge, but that's life.
That is interesting, though. You will have teams who have a head start in getting, back to business, getting their basketball bodies and minds ready for a stretch. Yeah,
you will. But I think we need to do that. I don't think we can wait for everybody to be on at the same time frame. And, if the goal is that you want to end up having a season, let's get things opened. Let's get people getting back in shape. And then we'll figure it out come July or August what we can do in sort of finishing the season without fans. Because what's clear is people want to see sports. You're seeing it with The Last Dance where you're having record earnings. You saw it with the NFL draft where you had record viewers. So I think as you have that, people want to see sports. So I think we'll end up finishing the season.
Yeah, we're starved, right? The Last Dance is awesome, but nothing beats the real thing. Marc, you take care of yourself. We'll talk to you next week.
Thank you. All right, take care.